Hello and welcome to AutoGPT tutorials. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the world of AI and technology. We've handpicked some of the most innovative and groundbreaking projects from GitHub that are not just shaping the future, but are at the forefront of technological evolution. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or just curious about the latest in AI, this video is for you. In this special episode, we'll dive deep into each project, exploring their capabilities, benefits, and the challenges they aim to overcome. These projects span a wide range of applications, from enhancing image models to reimagining how we interact with databases using natural language. We've made sure to break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand explanations, so no matter where you are in your tech journey, you'll find these insights valuable. And we're eager to hear your thoughts on these innovations, so be sure to share your comments and questions as we go along. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future tech explorations. Now, let's get started and unveil the wonders of AI and technology that are waiting to transform our world. Project number 1, AIM, Auto-Regressive Image Models. Let's kickstart our AI journey with AIM by Apple. This project is about revolutionizing how we create and perceive images using AI. But what exactly is AIM, and why is it a game changer? Let's find out. At its core, AIM is about developing large autoregressive image models, or AIMs for short. These models are similar in concept to the large language models we see in text AI but are focused on images. They predict parts of an image in a sequence, much like how words are predicted in a sentence. One of the most striking aspects of AIMs is their ability to generate high-quality images. Think of it as having an artist who can draw anything you imagine, with the added precision and scalability of AI. This is made possible by training these models on massive amounts of image data. Apple's AIM stands out for its scalability. This means that the model can be expanded to billions of parameters, allowing for more detailed and complex image generation. It's like having a supercharged artist whose abilities grow as the model expands. However, every silver lining has a cloud. Being in the research stage, AIM isn't quite ready for everyday applications. It's more of a glimpse into the future of image creation. Plus, the technology requires substantial computational power, making it a resource-heavy endeavor. Another point to consider is the ethical aspect. As with any powerful technology, there's a responsibility to use it wisely. The potential for misuse in image generation, such as creating misleading or harmful content, is a concern that needs careful consideration. Despite these challenges, AIM's open-source nature is a boon for researchers and tech enthusiasts. By providing access to the code and model checkpoints, Apple is inviting collaboration and innovation, paving the way for more advanced and ethical AI applications in the future. So, AIM is not just another AI project. It's a vision of the future where AI and creativity merge to open new realms of possibilities in image generation. It's a testament to how far we've come in the journey of AI, and a hint at the incredible potential that lies ahead. Okay, let's move to our next project. Project number 2, X-AnyLabeling. Moving on to our next groundbreaking project, we have X-AnyLabeling. In the world of AI, accurately labeling data is crucial, and X-AnyLabeling is designed to make this process as effortless and efficient as possible. Let's dive into what makes this tool a standout in data labeling. X-AnyLabeling is an AI-powered tool that simplifies the task of labeling images for various AI applications like object detection and image segmentation. Its key feature? AI-assisted automatic labeling that significantly reduces the time and effort required to annotate images. The versatility of X-AnyLabeling is another highlight. Whether you're dealing with bounding boxes, polygons, or semantic segmentation, this tool can handle a myriad of annotation styles. It's like a Swiss Army knife for image annotation, adaptable to a wide range of tasks. Customization is where X-AnyLabeling really shines. You can fine-tune the AI models used for automatic labeling to suit your specific data set. This means the tool gets better and more accurate the more you use it with your data, making it a highly personalized solution. One of the most user-friendly aspects of X-AnyLabeling is its support for one-click import and export of mainstream label formats. Whether you're working with formats like Coco, Pascal Voc, or YOLO, transitioning to and from X-AnyLabeling is a breeze. But no tool is without its challenges. While X-AnyLabeling is powerful, it may require some technical know-how to fully leverage its customization features. And, compared to more advanced tools like Labelbox or VGG Image Annotator, it might have certain limitations, especially when handling very large data sets. Despite these considerations, X-AnyLabeling is a valuable asset for anyone involved in image annotation. Its ease of use, versatility, and AI-assisted capabilities make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users looking to streamline their annotation workflow. The future of data labeling is here with X-AnyLabeling, transforming a time-consuming task into an efficient and enjoyable process. If you're working in fields that require image annotation, this tool could significantly enhance your productivity and accuracy. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in AI, tools like X-AnyLabeling are crucial in supporting the development of advanced AI systems. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in this space. Project number 3, AlphaCodium. Next on our technological tour is AlphaCodium, a pioneering project in the realm of code generation. This innovative approach enhances the capabilities of large language models, or LLMs, in coding tasks, marking a significant step forward in AI-driven software development. AlphaCodium stands out due to its unique test-based, multi-stage, code-oriented iterative process. This means it doesn't just generate code in one go. Rather, it refines and improves the code through multiple iterations, much like a skilled programmer enhancing their script over time. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of AlphaCodium is its language-agnostic nature. Whether you're working in Python, Java, or any other programming language, this tool can be applied, making it a versatile asset for developers across various domains. One of AlphaCodium's key strengths is its ability to significantly boost the performance of LLMs in code generation tasks. This isn't just about writing code faster, it's about writing better, more efficient, and more reliable code, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve with AI-assisted programming. However, such advanced technology doesn't come without its challenges. The test-based approach AlphaCodium employs can be complex to set up and might require a deep understanding of both coding principles and LLM functionalities. This might not be a plug-and-play solution for every developer out there. Additionally, AlphaCodium is still in its developmental phase. This means while it shows incredible promise, it might not yet be fully ready for widespread real-world application. Like any emerging technology, it needs time and community input to reach its full potential. Another consideration is the resource requirement. Running such advanced AI models requires substantial computational power, which might not be accessible to everyone. This places certain limitations on its adoption and use, especially among individual developers or smaller teams. As we continue to witness the evolution of AI in software development, projects like AlphaCodium are crucial in driving innovation and expanding our capabilities. It's an exciting time to be a part of this ever-changing field. Okay, let's move to next. Project number 4, Open Interpreter. Now, let's turn our attention to Open Interpreter, an ambitious project by Killian Lucas. This project isn't just about understanding code. It's about bridging the gap between multiple programming languages, creating a universal platform for code interpretation. Open Interpreter is a high-level abstraction layer, designed to interpret various programming languages within one unified framework. It allows developers to write code in one language, the host language, and then dynamically interpret and execute code written in other languages, known as guest languages. The versatility of Open Interpreter is truly remarkable. It opens up a world where developers are not confined to a single language. You can combine the strengths of different programming languages in one project, making it a powerful tool for innovative software development. Imagine the potential for creative mashups and collaborative projects. Open Interpreter facilitates seamless communication and data exchange between programs regardless of the language they're written in. This capability can drastically simplify workflow and reduce development time. Another significant advantage is its potential as an educational tool. By allowing students to explore and interact with various programming languages within the same environment, it can foster a more comprehensive understanding of coding concepts and paradigms. However, such a groundbreaking tool comes with its own set of challenges. One notable issue is the performance overhead. Adding an interpretation layer means that the execution might not be as efficient as running code natively, especially for complex or resource-intensive tasks. Moreover, while Open Interpreter supports a range of languages, integrating new ones requires specific effort and technical expertise. It's not an entirely plug-and-play solution. Some assembly is required, so to speak. In summary, Open Interpreter is a testament to the innovative spirit in the world of programming. It challenges the status quo and presents a new way to think about and work with different programming languages. Okay, let's move to next. Project number 5, GPT Newspaper. Our next project takes us into the fascinating world of personalized news. Meet GPT Newspaper, an innovative autonomous agent designed to create newspapers tailored to individual preferences. This project is at the forefront of changing how we consume news, leveraging the power of AI. GPT Newspaper isn't just a single tool, it's a symphony of 6 specialized sub-agents, each playing a critical role in the newspaper creation process. These agents, part of LangChain's new LangGraph library, work together to deliver a unique newspaper experience directly to you. The search agent starts by scouring the web for the latest and most relevant news. Then, the curator agent filters and selects stories based on your defined interests. It's like having a personal news assistant who knows exactly what you want to read. Next, the writer agent steps in, crafting engaging articles in a reader-friendly format. But it doesn't stop there. The designer agent lays out these articles, ensuring the newspaper is not only informative, but also visually appealing. Once the content is ready, the editor agent assembles the newspaper, carefully constructing each page. Finally, the publisher agent brings the newspaper to life, delivering it to your mailbox or preferred platform. It's a complete end-to-end solution for personalized news. While GPT Newspaper is an experimental project, its potential is immense. It offers news that aligns with your interests, aggregates content from a variety of sources, and presents it in an engaging, easy-to-digest format. However, as with any AI-driven project, GPT Newspaper has its limitations. It's provided as is without any warranty, and is intended for personal use, not as a replacement for professional news outlets. The quality and reliability of the news depend on the sources and the AI's curation abilities. Despite these considerations, GPT Newspaper is a glimpse into a future where our news consumption is highly personalized and AI-driven. It's a project that could revolutionize the way we stay informed and engage with the world around us. Stay tuned as we continue to explore how AI is transforming our daily lives in more ways than one. GPT Newspaper is just the beginning of a new era in personalized media. Project number 6, IceCubes App. Now, let's shift our focus to a unique project in the realm of social networking, the IceCubes App, developed by Domillion. It's a Mastodon client that offers a fresh and user-friendly approach to engaging with this decentralized social network. IceCubes App is built with Swift UI, which means it provides a native and smooth experience across Apple devices, including iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. The app is designed to enhance your interaction with Mastodon, making it more intuitive and visually appealing. What sets IceCubes App apart is its commitment to a clean and intuitive user experience. The app features a user-friendly sidebar on macOS and iPadOS, providing easy access to different sections. This streamlined navigation makes managing your social media presence a breeze. One of the standout features of IceCubes App is its full-featured post editor. It's not just about typing out text. You can create threads, upload media, and even utilize AI-assisted tools for text correction, hashtag generation, and image description. It's a social media powerhouse at your fingertips. Flexibility is key with IceCubes App. It supports multiple Mastodon accounts, allowing you to switch seamlessly between different profiles. Whether you're managing personal and professional accounts or exploring different communities, IceCubes App has you covered. Being open source, IceCubes App encourages community involvement in its development. This means you can contribute to its growth, suggest features, or even help with bug fixes. It's a collaborative project that evolves with its users' needs. However, as with any app, there are considerations to be aware of. Currently, IceCubes App is primarily available on Apple devices, with plans to extend to watchOS. This might limit accessibility for users on other platforms. In conclusion, IceCubes App stands as a testament to innovative social media tools. It offers a polished, AI-enhanced experience for Mastodon users, and its open-source nature invites continual improvement and adaptation. Project number 7, Chat2DB. Stepping into the realm of databases, our next project, Chat2DB, is an innovative fusion of natural language processing and database management. Developed by the Chat2DB organization, it's changing how we interact with databases. Chat2DB introduces a groundbreaking concept, a database client that understands and responds to natural language. Imagine querying your database using plain English, or any language you prefer, and getting the desired results without writing complex SQL queries. The integration of ChatGPT capabilities in Chat2DB takes it a step further. Not only can you ask questions and retrieve data, but you can also get assistance with tasks like data visualization and report generation, making data analysis more accessible and intuitive. Chat2DB's multi-database support is a key feature. Whether you're working with SQL, NoSQL, or any other database type, this tool aims to provide seamless connectivity and interaction, broadening its applicability across various database technologies. Being open source, Chat2DB encourages community involvement. This means users can contribute to its development, suggest improvements, or customize the tool to better suit their needs. It's a project that thrives on collaboration and innovation. However, like any ambitious project, Chat2DB comes with its challenges. As it's in the early stages of development, some features might be under refinement. Users might encounter bugs or limitations in functionalities, typical in evolving open source projects. Additionally, while the natural language interface is revolutionary, it may not always perfectly translate queries into accurate SQL, leading to potential errors or inaccuracies in data retrieval. Users need to understand these limitations for effective use. Moreover, as an open-source project, security considerations for sensitive data are paramount. Users must ensure that their deployment of Chat2DB aligns with their data security and privacy standards. In summary, Chat2DB represents a significant leap in database interaction, making data more accessible and manageable through AI. It's a glimpse into a future where data analysis is democratized, inviting users from all backgrounds to explore the power of databases. Project number 8, Data Engineering Zoomcamp. Our final stop today is at the Data Engineering Zoomcamp by Data Talks Club. This project is not just a course, it's a comprehensive journey into the world of data engineering. It's an opportunity for anyone, from beginners to seasoned professionals, to deepen their understanding of this crucial field. Data Engineering Zoomcamp is a unique blend of theory and practice. The course covers a wide range of topics, from foundational tools like SQL and Python to advanced concepts in workflow orchestration and stream processing. It's designed to provide a solid foundation in data engineering skills. One of the standout features of this course is its format. Participants can choose to learn at their own pace or join cohort-based sessions. This flexibility allows learners to balance their studies with their personal and professional commitments. Practical application is key in this Zoomcamp. Each week, learners engage in hands-on exercises and homework assignments, ensuring that the concepts taught are not just understood but also applied. This approach helps solidify knowledge and skills in real-world scenarios. Another major benefit is the supportive community. Through Slack and Telegram channels, learners can connect with peers, discuss challenges, and share insights. This community aspect adds a collaborative dimension to the learning experience. However, the courses require a significant time commitment. For those opting for the self-paced route, discipline and organization are essential to keep up with the material. Additionally, a basic understanding of coding and command line tools is recommended to get the most out of the course. Another consideration is the availability of cohort-based sessions. Depending on when you join, you may have to wait for the next session to start. Also, self-paced learning lacks the personalized feedback you might find in paid courses with dedicated mentors. As we conclude our exploration of AI and tech projects today, remember that the journey of learning and innovation never ends. Data Engineering Zoomcamp is just one of the many paths you can take to enrich your knowledge and skills in this ever-evolving field. And that wraps up our journey through some of the most innovative AI and technology projects on GitHub. From redefining image models to revolutionizing data engineering, we've seen how these projects are not just shaping the future of technology, but also how we interact with the world. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to AutoGPT tutorials for more tech insights. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video.